But I'm more than 5 nearby.
Hello, Mr. Lackerman, put down that phone and mind you push it up in my face and don't take. It's not,
No, but,
you could all buy you like
100 I'm normally pay for one.
That's, you should have, well, you should have got a place then where you pay for 100.
Alright, that's what I normally pay $100 for them.
But the cane man is not here. Him tell with the price and we are give the price. That means they don't want nothing there.
They go with it for me now.
Go with them. I want the price similar here.
What you want to sell? What you want to sell?
Them there.
I bet you nobody now buy because them too dear.
So we too dear?
Yeah, you sell
them don't dear because you don't know the price. So they took ask before.
How much you want them slipper? How much are black and white slippers there?
Black and white slippers?
Yeah.
If you have 600, if you have 550, you can get it.
Oh, so that's what the coconut in my 150 and I have 100, we can't get.
No, I'm not the coconut man, so yeah. Four. Can I get my 750 before I put in this, please?
Let's put in that I like to do on my driveway.
Pay me for my coconut.
I want to do that, man. Sure.
Hello, don't take me now.
I'm not safe here.
You will laptop, so pay me my 750. I mean, no discount.
If I 750, right? I'm going to give you 1,000. How much you forget?
250. Me not done, sir. 250. I might not you blow that for me. 250.
Close my door, please.
This yo, 50. Let's tell about your pants. Rent yourself good meal. Well, at $200. Have not a nice thing.
Boy, your head dry like.
What you say?
Dry head picnic.
You're full of clocks like dog. You kind of chatting up a big face. See your forehead big and broad and paper big.
So, I seen him come out of a cuss?
Drop your window and go on with your business here, because you look like a big trial and cross is my man. So no, get me from the wrong side and draw my tongue.
Yeah, boss. She left my business for mash up the business. Just by 5 and she said, how much she sell me one for? Yeah. How much she tell her selling for?
150. Remember the man I look like him one.
Yo, remember me tell you. What you want to sell? What you want to sell?
Them there.
I bet you nobody now buy because them too dear.
So we too dear?
Yeah, you sell
them don't dear because you don't know the price. So they took ask before.
How much you want them slipper? How much are black and white slippers there?
Black and white slippers?
Yeah.
If you have 600, if you have 550, you can get it.
Oh, so that's what the coconut in my 150 and I have 100, we can't get.
No, I'm not the coconut man, so yeah.
But I'm more than 5 nearby.
Hello, Mr. Lackerman, put down that phone and mind you push it up in my face and don't take. It's not, you could all buy you like
100 I'm normally pay for one.
That's, you should have, well, you should have got a place then where you pay for 100.
Alright, that's what I normally pay $100 for them.
But the cane man is not here. Him tell with the price and we are give the price. That means they don't want nothing there.
They go with it for me now.
Go with them. I want the price similar here.
If I 750, right? I'm going to give you 1,000. How much you forget?
250. Me not done, sir. 250. I might not you blow that for me. 250.
Close my door, please.
Well, let's change and go on with your property. I want this yo, 50. Let's tell about your pants. Rent yourself good meal. Well, at $200. Have not a nice thing.
Boy, your head dry like.
What you say?
Dry head fitness.
You're full of clubs like dog. You kind of chatting up a big face. See your forehead big and broad and ever big.
So, I seen him come out of a cuss.
Drop your window and go on with your business here, because you look like a big trial and crosses, my man. You know? So, no, get me from the wrong side and draw me tongue. Poor. Can I get my 750 before I put in this, please?
Let's put in a hell out of my driveway.
Pay me for my coconut.
I want to that girl, man. Shut up.
Hello, don't take me now.
Not safe, yeah.
You will lotto, so pay me my 750 and I know discount.
If